Hey, Jax. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Come on. Come on. Want to come see me? Come on. Come on, Jax. What a pretty boy. What a pretty boy. Yes, you are a pretty, pretty boy. Hey, buddy Roe. Yeah, this pretty boy. There's Jax. And here comes Rio. Hey, Rio. Got a feeling Jax and Rio are going to be big buddies. They've just had fun. They all ran and played. All right, here they go. Here they go again. Now Jax did a turn at the around a tree and fooled them all. Trek watching from a distance. It's Cruiser and Rio make buddies with Jax on the lower left. Here comes Trek. Come on, Jax. Come on, buddy. He's an independent thinker. Here he's coming back to the herd. Well, one more successful transition.